Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Wednesday. It was a green day for markets today, with the Nasdaq 100 soaring 2% as Nvidia reached a fresh all-time high, boosting tech stocks. The small cap Russell 2000 ended about 1.5% higher, followed by the S&P 500 and the Dow, which also ended up. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors of the day, 7 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher, with tech, of course, leading the way, rising roughly 2.7% on that Nvidia boost, followed by communication services. To the downside, utilities led the laggards, followed by consumer staples. Looking at some stocks on the move, Nvidia crossed a $3 trillion market cap, and its fresh all-time high led shares to close above $1,200 for the first time ever. The company continued to rise from expectations for its next generation of AI chips. Tesla and Hewlett-Packard Enterprise called out the chip maker as the dominant supplier in the AI frenzy, and all happening ahead of its 10-for-1 stock split coming after markets close on Friday. A group backed by Citadel and BlackRock wants to start a national stock exchange in Texas. The chairman and CEO of the Texas Stock Exchange, James Lee, said they've raised $120 million with the support of over 24 investors. And he says the Texas Stock Exchange aims to be a more CEO-friendly alternative to the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ, avoiding much of the regulatory red tape required by the two. It'll begin trading next year and host listings in 2026. And Lululemon shares closed up about 0.5%. Then after markets closed, the company posted first quarter comp sales that increased year over year, with revenue and earnings that beat estimates. The athleisure company also authorized a $1 billion increase in its stock repurchase program. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. Challenger job cuts, international trade in goods and services, and jobless claims highlight tomorrow's economic data. And then on the earnings front, J.M. Smucker, Big Lots, and NEO report pre-market, followed by DocuSign, Samsara, and Rent the Runway reporting post-market. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.